Good afternoon. It is 1:17 and we are in Abilene, Texas. And whenever I'm in Abilene, where do I go? Rose's Cafe Tortilla Factory. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in here and get us a couple of fajita burritos to go. Well, to go. We're gonna sit here in the parking lot and eat them since it is 95 degrees outside and don't want to leave Sammy in here. So I'm waiting for Deborah right now. She's in the potty, and then I'm gonna go potty, and then I'm gonna go into Rose's and get our fajita burritos and some queso, and we're gonna eat it in here, and then headed to Abilene State Park. But before then, there's an Aldi right up here, and I love Aldi. So when I'm in this area, I always stop at Rose's, go to Aldi, and then Abilene State Park. We're gonna spend the night there, and well, actually, I think we're spending 2 nights there, and then I will go to my Texas home base and check on it, maybe, and pick up my mail, and then on to New Mexico home base. Yeah, anyway, I am gonna go do that, get our food right now. See y'all in a minute. Ended up getting a taco and a chicken guacamole fajita burrito. Yum. I'm in Aldi and I'm looking for something to eat for tomorrow night. Pork loin, $3.79. I still have hamburger buns. We could have hamburgers. Let's see. There's some chicken skewers, beef skewers. One of my favorite things to get, I can't believe it, at Aldi's is the mangoes. They got me 3 packages. No, I got 2 of these mangoes and then apricots. We made it to Abilene State Park. Deborah went to get Sammy some water. Yeah, she says I'm thirsty too.
You want some water?
She says yes. I need some water. She said thank you.
You're welcome.
She was thirsty.
She had some in the truck, but she don't act like it.
She don't remember it. It's not as humid here. Her phone's ringing.
I know.
Good morning. There's a bunny over there. Sammy, do you see the bunny? No, not yet. I'm out walking the trail with Sammy. I had forgotten that there was a fire here in the last year. Yeah. So this is Tuesday night. Well, evening. It's not night yet, but we spent, well, tonight and night before last, 2 nights here at Abilene State Park. And it is, I don't know what it is, because I'm on the trail that we used to always walk, because for years and years and years and years, I've always camped at the same campsite here in the Wagon Wheel, Site 10, which is right across the pavement to the trail. And it was always good for the dogs because we can just come out of the camper, go down the trail, and walk the dogs. So this morning I walked Sammy just down to what I call the water tank, which is just right here. We didn't walk the big trail, but you know, it's just that void. That void is a little boy. And I'm not going to talk anymore about that part. But we did get a call today that we can pick up Bandit's ashes and tomorrow on our way back home. So we will do that. That's not gonna, none of it's gonna be this whole week. Just picking up Bandit and going back, and all of Bandit's stuff is there. I mean, it's just not gonna be easy time. So you'll probably be seeing this video on Wednesday or Thursday. We will pick up Bandit's ashes on Wednesday. And we got a long travel day tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll get this up tomorrow on Wednesday or not. But anyway, we spent 2 nights, gonna spend 2 nights here at Abilene, and then we're headed to, I need to stop and pick up my mail tomorrow before we head out, and probably go by my off-grid cabin and pick up a few things there. That is still iffy if that happens, just for time constraints, because Google Time says we have a 5-hour drive, so that's like 6.5 hours in real time, and that's booking it. So anyway, so we're cutting tonight short. I'm out walking Sammy for the last time tonight, and we're gonna go to bed early, get up early, and hit the road. So I will see y'all tomorrow. You see the bunnies? There's a bunny. There's a bunny. And there's a bunny over there too, I think. Lots of bunnies.